Hey everyone, and welcome back to Natural Earth Living. Our pets really don't ask for much, do they? Just our love, a safe home, and a cozy spot to curl up at the end of the day. But what if I told you that with just a few simple natural habits, we could support their health in some truly surprising and powerful ways? Today, we're diving into 5 easy, all-natural methods to help your furry friends feel better, live healthier, and stay vibrant from the inside out. Whether you have a dog, a cat, or both, these tips are for you. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about real food toppers. This is probably the easiest change you can make, but it packs a huge nutritional punch. You don't need to completely overhaul your pet's entire diet. Sometimes, just adding a spoonful of something fresh on top of their regular food can transform their energy levels, improve their digestion, and even make their coat shinier. So, what can you add? Try a little bit of plain, cooked chicken, no spices, no onions, just simple protein. Sardines packed in water are another fantastic option. They're full of omega-3 salve, which are amazing for skin, coat, and joint health. A spoonful of plain pumpkin puree is a classic for a reason. It's a superfood for digestive health, great for both constipation and diarrhea. Even a simple scrambled egg, with no salt or butter, can provide a great protein boost. And for a little antioxidant power, a few blueberries can be a wonderful treat for many dogs. These small additions provide extra hydration, high-quality protein, powerful antioxidants, and fantastic gut support, all in one quick and easy step. It has a simple upgrade that your pet will not only love, but will also truly benefit from. Next, let's focus on hydration boosters. This is a big one because most of our domestic pets, especially cats, are chronically dehydrated. Cats in particular evolved from desert animals and have a naturally low thirst drive, meaning they don't often drink enough water on their own. But there are some simple ways to fix this. The easiest method is to simply add a bit of warm water or a pet-safe low-sodium broth directly to their meals. This works for both kibble and wet food. Another great idea is to invest in a pet-safe water fountain. The moving water often entices pets to drink more frequently than they would from a stagnant bowl. You can also try rotating the locations of their water bowls. Sometimes a new spot sparks their curiosity. For an extra special treat that also boosts hydration, try adding a small splash of raw goat's milk or even a little more of that pumpkin puree we talked about, mixed with water. Better hydration leads to so many benefits: smoother digestion, healthier kidneys, and of course, a glossier, shinier coat. Our third tip is all about natural gut support. Did you know that over 70% of your pet's immune system resides in their gut? That means a healthy gut microbiome is the foundation for overall health and can lead to fewer vet visits down the line. So, how can we support it? The most direct way is by adding pet-safe probiotics to their diet. You can find these specifically formulated for dogs and cats at most pet stores. Another wonderful natural source of probiotics is a tiny spoonful of plain kefir or plain yogurt. Just make sure it has no added sugars or artificial sweeteners like xylitol, which is toxic to dogs. We've mentioned pumpkin puree a couple of times, and here it is again. Its fiber content is prebiotic, meaning it feeds the good bacteria in the gut. Finally, supplementing with omega-3 fish oils not only helps with their coat, but also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the gut lining. Supporting their gut can help with a whole host of issues, from itchy skin and excessive hairballs to even anxiety and loose stools. A happy gut truly is the key to a happy, healthy pet. Moving on to number 4. Enrichment for mental health. This is something that's so often overlooked. A lot of behavioral issues we see in our pets stem from them being bad pets. They come from boredom, anxiety, and a lack of mental stimulation. A calm, engaged pet is a healthy pet. So, how can we enrich their minds? For dogs, one of the best things you can do is go on sniff walks. This is where you let your dog lead the way and sniff to their heart's content. Sniffing is a massive brain workout for them. You can also create homemade puzzle boxers out of cardboard. Just hide some treats inside and let them figure out how to get them. Lick mats are another fantastic tool. Smear some pet-safe peanut butter or that pumpkin puree on the mat. And the repetitive licking motion can be incredibly calming and soothing for them. It's also important to rotate their toys every few days to keep things new and exciting. And for our feline friends, something as simple as a secure window perch, where they can watch the world go by, can provide hours of stimulation. Mental enrichment changes everything. It can improve their mood, build their confidence, and significantly lower their stress levels. Our final tip, number 5, is to reduce household toxins. This one is huge and often goes completely unnoticed. Think about it. Our pets live their lives much closer to the floor than we do. They're breathing in the air that's right where dust, dander, and chemical residues from cleaning products settle. We need to be mindful of what's in their immediate environment. The biggest culprits are often artificial fragrances. So, you'll want to avoid things like scented sprays, plug-in air fresheners, and heavily perfumed chemical cleaners. What should you use instead? A simple solution of vinegar and water is an amazing all-purpose cleaner that's completely pet-safe. There are also many unscented, natural cleaning products available in the market now. Regular damp dusting, rather than dry dusting, which just kicks particles into the air, can make a huge difference. And simply improving ventilation by opening windows whenever possible helps clear the air. Just removing artificial fragrances from your home can dramatically reduce allergy symptoms in many pets, like sneezing, watery eyes, and itchy skin. It's a simple change that can make their world so much more comfortable. As you can see, natural pet care isn't about complicated formulas or expensive gadgets. It's about being thoughtful and consistent with small, simple choices. It's a healthier meal topper, cleaner air to breathe, a calmer and more engaged mind, and better hydration. These are all tiny habits that, when practiced day after day, add up to a happier, healthier, and more vibrant companion by your side. Before we go, I want to remind you that this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your licensed veterinarian before making any significant changes to your pet's diet, health routine, or care plan. Natural remedies and foods may not be suitable for all pets, especially those with pre-existing medical conditions. Your vet knows your pet's specific needs best. What do you want to see next? I'd love to make a video on natural pet treats, some DIY pet-safe cleaning product recipes, or even a guide to homemade dog or cat food. Let me know what you're interested in down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to Natural Earth Living, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. See you next time.